Hey guys, Nathan here. I'm here to show you our brand new rooming house at 38 Dennis Street, Clayton. Let's have a look. So we have a 9-bedroom, 9-ensuite rooming house. Before I show you the rooms, let's have a look at the communal kitchen. We designed the kitchen area with the end users in mind. We have 2 stations side by side, so more than one person can be inside the kitchen and not be in each other's way. So as you can see, over here is our pantry locker. We give every renter generous space with 2 sections per room, so they can put their pots and pans or any other personal kitchen items. We also have a communal laundry in the house. So over here, we have a washer and a dryer. So now it's time to have a look at some of the rooms that we've got. All the rooms have a spacious double robe, a double bed, split system heating and cooling, a study desk and a chair, and a self-contained ensuite with dimmable lighting. This particular room has a kitchenette with a sink, stove, fridge, and a microwave. It's a perfect room for any student or professional. We hope you've enjoyed this video tour, and we'll see you next time.